A warm welcome to my YouTube channel Anju Ayurshre. Hey, I'm Shreya and today I want to discuss on a topic which is very much recent and it is like immunobread. Yesterday I got the pic and it really made me crazy, and I really enjoyed all the discussions going on. And my stake and my point of view here is I really want to talk on this, as it has been told that it is an immuno booster bread, and Ayush Ministry has recommended immunity ingredients now in the breads, and I'm telling all what is written in this bread. It includes garlic, ginger, clove, cinnamon, and jaggery, and black pepper and all. And when I started discussing on this, and I got many of the views from different doctors, and as some said that it contains good ingredients and it may not be considered of or contain any of the maida like product, so it may increase immunity or something like that. But my point of view is that a bread is a bread. A bread can never be like there is a difference of making chapati and of making a parantha and of puri. The making process is different. The same is even if there is something of very nutritive value, high nutritive value, and we are using it in for making a bread, but still a bread is a bread. It is fermented and is a bakery product. So however, if we are talking about, or I'm looking on this, is like many of the cases or many of the patients, I recommend them to avoid all the bakery products. I told them to avoid all the fermented products. So if any fermented product or like this, the bread is causing some problems in some people like acidity and all, then how it can be beneficial. And another point which I want to include is yes, if you are comparison of white bread and then this bread to this bread, or brown bread to this bread, definitely it contains some ingredients, or I can say yes, many ingredients which are good for health. But yes, we can say that it is better than that if it contains multigrains and all that. But to say that it increases immunity is, I don't think so. It may be only for the business purpose, like to कि आयुष का नाम घुसा दिया या immunity या immuno word घुसा दिया तो it will become it is all my point of view. अब इस पे क्या रिसर्च होती है और डॉक्टर्स क्या रिसर्च लेकर के आते हैं, and I'm very much eager to know. And all discussions are free, and you're all free to discuss and ask any question or any discussion on the comment section. So thank you so much for listening so carefully and patient listening. So thank you so much, and do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you.